Hello everyone. As we all know that the whole world is going through a tough time due to COVID-19 and there was a nationwide lockdown which was a challenging task for everyone. During this time or sometime in your life you all must have heard about the word public health. What do you mean by public health? Many of you must have answered to this question, but some of you don't even know what is it. So I, Dr. Neha Malhotra, student of Masters in Public Health, second year, Amity University, Noida, along with my colleagues, have taken a small initiative to record a small video to make you understand the importance of public health by sharing our own experiences during this 1 year journey in public health. So let's have a look.
Hello, this is Roshi Chaudhary from Amity Institute of Public Health and I'm in Masters second year. So this journey has been so beautiful so far. But one of the things that public health has imbibed in me is to be more empathetic. It has made me more responsible and it has made me not only realize the needs of the people, but it has taught me how to respond to it. It has made me more socially connected to the people and to the community, and I'm so thankful to public health for this.
Hello everyone, I'm Meghna Badola, student of Masters of Public Health from Amity Institute of Public Health. I'm in my third semester and I'm here to tell you about what I think about being a public health professional. As you all know, public health is a science of preventing disease and promoting health of an individual and its community. The question arises, how? How we can do that? For me, the answer is by creating awareness. By creating awareness about the benefits of healthy habits, by creating awareness about the disease and how it transmitted and how it affects the life of an individual and its surroundings, and by creating awareness about how people get sick and how they themselves can cure the diseases they have. So, on top of that, by making people aware about being responsible for their own health. Raising awareness is the key plank of public health. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Public health is wealth for me. Health is wealth is something we were all taught in school, but I think this statement holds the greatest significance in 2020 since even though the largest economies of the world are facing huge damages, we have still taken time off to rest at our homes just to protect our health. So obviously health over wealth. And being into public health for the past 1 year, I'm truly able to appreciate the importance of health. One can achieve everything in life, be rich, but nothing is complete without good health. So I believe now I truly know what it means to be a public health professional, and I'm very glad I'm in this profession. And so now I hope we all have realized that happiness is the new rich, inner peace is the new success, and health is the new wealth.
Being a public health profession is very important for me and I'm really proud of it. For me, public health profession is like a superhero who are working hard in this corona pandemic situation. And for me, public health is like a superhero because a superhero work for the world, for the people, and they never think about their lives. They wanted victory over wrong things, and it's like public health profession are working hard in this pandemic situation to defeat this corona virus, and it's really proud that I am a part of such association. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Sabika Abbas doing Masters in Public Health and I am in third semesters. I am here to discuss with you what I had learned about NPH in 1 year what I feel is that MPH is to spread the awareness among the people, and it is very necessary to communicate with the people whether they are in urban area or in rural area. Communication is a basic step to tell them about how the disease spread, how it is prevalent, and how it will be communicated with the people. And during this time, it is very necessary to spread the awareness among the people, and through communication we can do this. Okay, bye bye.
Hello everyone, I am Samia Ashraf and I am pursuing Masters in Public Health. Today, by the help of this video, I would like to share what I understood public health so far in my first year of Masters of Public Health. To me, public health is all about improvement of community health by monitoring the health status of individual to identify and solve the community health problems, and also to link the people to the needed personal health services to inform, educate, and empower the people about health issues. It includes research work also for new insights and innovative solutions for the health problems and to develop the health policies. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ruby Chauhan. I did my bachelor's in dental surgery and pursuing masters of public health from Amity Institute of Public Health. Today I'll be sharing my 1-year experience in this field. First of all, I would say that I never thought or planned to be in this field, but somehow today I can't think of doing anything else. So I would start with public health is a huge and great opportunity. Yes, it is an exceptional opportunity. Public health is generally described or defined as the prevention, protection, and promotion of health of people or community around the globe. But for me, it includes a one major word, that is analysis. Yes, it is analysis. For me, it is analysis, as I learned in 1 year of my Masters of Public Health about analysis, that it is the basis for any study or any applied epidemiology. It is the central activity for an applied epidemiology, for providing any evidence to promote or to formulate any policies for the prevention or promotion for any disease to help the community. So I would say that analysis is a very basis part for the public health. Like SPSS, it is one of the best thing I learned in 1 year of my Masters of Public Health in Amity University. It is a best thing. You can solve data analysis, you can analyze the biggest data or the very large amount of sample size to be in a very easy way. So I would say that I got an opportunity in Amity University to learn all these things, and looking for many more things in my coming 1 year. So I would say that public health is a huge opportunity. So if you are looking for it to help the people, to serve the society, you should go for it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mehwish Iqbal, pursuing Masters of Public Health. I want to say that public health is a dynamic and multidisciplinary field. Public health is not narrow, but public health comes from everything. I hope all of these clips would have given a better idea about public health. Why is it so important to every one of us? If the last 6 months would have taught us anything, it surely has taught us that nothing is untouched. I want to conclude this video by saying that healthcare is vital to all of us some of the time, but public health is important to us all of the time.